for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa ede abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasa nkrofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so eninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda
wo like me as a winner na mode to me franka ni shen me nana atutankwa akofa to me meza babe establish wo like me as a winner na mode to me franka ni shen me nana atutankwa akofa to me meza babe establish the one district and the factory. Jobs will be created in the 10 regions of the Republic of Ghana. After my henceforth, and I say, I introduce the big landlord, overlord, upon Benjamin Combo, one that established the Lekman Municipal Assembly and the hospitalization. And I say, who likes me as a winner? Na mode to me frankani shen me nana atutankwa akofa to me meza babe establish the one district and the factory. Jobs will be created in the 10 regions of the Republic of Ghana. After my henceforth, and I say, I introduce the big landlord, overlord, upon Benjamin Combo, one that established the Lekman Municipal Assembly and the hospitalization. And I say, who likes me as a winner? Na mode to me frankani shen me
Ghana nsem no wachime so yete nsem so ene nsem na aba no eye bullet eye action movie ebabubo ebimo na ewo ebimo ede be kum ebimo achiase I me amedi dwumadie ebro me di limo elikem kwame abega obetumi aframe on all social media platform me di ni efoken berema menono I gbenia onti aigbe nanso ne ho den apache ba akopɛ me ameno I ene asembe enenam unimu se nkofo mpo na nkofo bodwa ewa himfie ete se akufo ado ni na aban die party a wo free mo de be di akonwa die se kra de wo mapo mo they have rejected them omo ba 2024 no omo be kasa omo di nria be show masum na omu nye de omu ntie ai message wako video on se Ghana hadi ade a wo beye bia e wo homa o kai 2016 all media platform o twese ne NDC aban emia Ghana fo edi esika se ne tie ni na no 2016 you can see the number of celebrities, the major number of celebrities me see MPP aban pe na ye party a otumu so mu 2016 go for supporting NDC so. Now so we say MPP there. They were having the mass of the celebrities because no ma boo, no ma break. They wanted the change. Yeah, the video ni na be den. Ebe bro now the only say me there. Me the video be sabre wa. I bet the baby sam go pray ni na den. O ma kwode da. O see ehun o man sem ni na ne den. E kaka kire o. Na me say catch you say that no ye nua Brema the founder the beginner, the introducer of blogging to Ghana, Yenua Bema Ameyaw Debra, or say, what fuck up, pana, or free a cry, quota crowd, or say, wow, or fuck up, quota crowd, you know, could you won't say, no, we need to get a government, a person who able to make transfer roads, and good trains to those places, because you hear your bed blow my way. Because Ghana find the course our debt or not to say, Ghana needs development. I find we won't say we are underdeveloping country, but when you're underdeveloped to underdeveloping. Yeah, bre. Now me say akosu bio. One say nan say MPC atu aba mo. Bebre na dwomani ase aban so. And no job constituency for no. They don't communicate with the people. They don't go to the grassroots. They don't go and ask them, what do you people need? What do you want? It will come baby to say, Amachia, any being communities in now. Minister MP ni bo ra ho activate mu utumu so odu baby a enkuro we odudu na obi aso bi no obi asi ni wu to ono agasa si ni tim dada 2024 na dey se ni aba no e wo se wo si wada se ye de 179 ni ebebro na ye se akobiom ye nua be justice Abiku Newton ofe say ya beku o say ya biku justice Newton ofe dia eneminim sa beman wakasa wose so hwese ne oman ni mu aya ana wo hwese ne nyoma ekoso oman mu a ai ase media outlet for na pese MPP aban free power 2024 because I say omo promote ejuma na ma NDC too much I made you no so fire beba upon the damn sebe wonimu say that 2016 no na media no studio wechi ma me twa fire no so ani ento aso ai me wonu say me ka kire say MPP for communicators be position bi om hold ye from media for no so a omo nim de om meka nti MPP ni bi atena station so ka kire ye say sanka mahama na wo power kaba na dollar no ebe ye $1 to 20 Ghana cedis no ma ban ko ma ya de ai nti wo hwe o man ni ma wo fa do obo no modern wa ye tuma pa wa ye bi otuma bo man no ai unim ase ye de sanse wi na bebre ai twa ye ho ye de ebre sima ye be sai de ebe tuma so
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa ede apostle anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda
ahwefo me ma wakwa aba onyankopon enhira se wonyambre ne wa de watwe me wa de se na me ka cho se share video no ye wo life wada se share video no obi sunya den enhwe bi ma obi nso mbeti asempa no ma obi mbeti Ghana nsem frɛ obi frɛ wonua bi ka tell say my brother sit near a wifi sit near a data bundle bra Xposed GH subscribe it na like it what I say aha aye Ghana nsem na wo ti na dem aya na wo kasa wo trim na wo dwendwe na wo pesa wo ka che Ghana for no bra ye be ka che ye be kama unua be ma make kama me fire ma me kira adwe na ma the pay for they need to set up a higher maybe atem so asem na can e pass a bullet fire e pop to mo se me jimu na me tie mo be see hey oja ai asem na nam simpie no so asem na nam social media and na e fa amanyosem ai ukokwa abiri east constituency ni mo a ahimfu bi mo bodwa ewo mu palace ka se yabre sempo abato breba na ye MP ni wura ha ya ye be pam no se pe MPP po a se ye mpa biom ye mpa MPP fo ni biom ya ye diem ba so de bi edu de enya Ghana fo no mo ba dwen ye enya Ghana for emputuo ena mbadwen ye eye tribal politics eye gang mafia game eye small scale enterprise eye friends and family business ena akufado ne na ban ebeye ye no mu die enya akufado hu na eye o machi o ena enya akufado no mo pu no MPP aban na nkasa na omo de omo pu omo they don't need them they don't want them almost in the pain as a quabri is there. Obo constituency ni mu dia. Omo MPP. When pam no chano ye mfasika mbe dada omo. Omo mbia o meni no matter what. Because there's no development. enyoma puntu bi anko na MP ni kura de oba ya ni omo be kase ni omo di nkomo 2020 be si ende ontu ni na esi oye minimo adekura ye MP no se eba se no munya power no mu refi se obi ne to aba mo ena de to omo 2020 election no omo nsuo mu nyansa se Ghanaians no they don't joke with their MPs wa de so bi wo mutiri so dabi itina chiefs ni ahimfui kase ni na omo tiomani bre ni omo ho awo ni na kire se hwe wo ni MP no wo kura wo ni aban ma nyoko no yempem kura na wo pokura na nka wo sa wo chichi yere wo beka bibi kire na ye wo development 1 or 2 no wo kura de wo yi asram wo yi ama na wo mfie no problem say sa boto na ye beto na ya ba be dede ni ye disika be dede mo fonte na ya busy mo fonte na adwuma ne doso mo santra e biom no matra makwa ne akpa mo atena makwa no ye twaso mo atena makwa ni ye jai debi almost debi ye mpene sa we don't want it that way simply obaya pum itian wasa MPP aban no kra ha omo so mo ye compare sa kwabri is kwani ahimfie on kra de they shouldn't pass them. They don't want to see them. They don't want to have anything to do with them. And yes ko jaini nyomo wo de tisi o mutire so kire se bi omo mo ma dwemba da bi ya po omo and they don't want them. Omo say ye mpanyifo na wo Ghana no omo dwen ho ayo omo ani omo botom omo musika ni omo selfish interest no omo pe di ombe di egu omo gotokom en omo hwehwe en na yefia yere ye ho say no matter what it is, no matter what the game or whatever it will be, they don't like the MPP party, especially during 2024. Ti di ombe ye bia omo ye no mundi nko ye mfasika ni e jan entu aban ye di kokromoti ti de bia ho se me gina na me ka kire o say your vote is your future. Afefo na me pese ye ko hwe video yi eye den ye person atwaso
wo hini bia no aye press conference wona himfie eno ye morning national
full package
na
tomorrow
constituency ni mo force day o ma ye press conference yenkoti am say we wo hone tie
MPP ni oma ban ni say sa MPP ka kire MPP ni oma ban ni say sa MPP na kan ni yesi e we DNA no e na free ho mo hye ni ya titiru kwabri east na reho semba akokura ni MP wo kwabri east ya wo akwada aketo onya mfie aduonu baako kwabri fo koto aba ma unya 71000 vote and over ebesi nne ma me say we ntimi anye
wo hini bia no aye press conference wona himfie eno ye morning national
full package
na
tomorrow
constituency ni mo force day o ma ye press conference yenkoti am say we wo hone tie
MPP ni oma ban ni say sa MPP ka kire MPP ni oma ban ni say sa MPP na kan ni yesi e we DNA no e na free ho mo hye ni ya titiru kwabri east na reho semba akokura ni MP wo kwabri east ya wo akwada aketo onya mfie aduonu baako kwabri fo koto aba ma unya 71000 vote and over ebesi nne ma me say we ntimi anya bibia wo kwabri ha owuraku edu oka cabinet meeting ukobi edie ufiri himan he ya edie na mo ka kira ban edie na mo ka kira na adodan ko akufu ado Dr. Matthew Opoku prempe ufiri fikesiem okura de wasem we ya che obia hwegura wa MPP fo guru opim so ho hwegura MPP fo mpani fo e guru opim so ho e ya rewo sem chese ye kikansem no a na ya kwese asanteman ye die hu hwamo beso ame interchange be na wo hwe for about down again dancing so for like cry me asaka bi ena monam na mode asanteman sika ene taxes ejene ha ye goka NPP communicators bitimi transika se asante enkoso nyina sebi ya na ebi kura ebi fa sebi yewura ho na yi level ye jima yewura taxes ya ye sante na eje NPP fo die hwamo nyame se yenka se ye meka nkyere mo se ye pamche mo nya ya kwan ye ka kyere mo se mo be ye o munye o NPP do no ane ye o mamu no afiri ho ye ni do bia mamu bio mo a mo hwe kwan ya nipa nam so mo hwe kwan ya nipa nam so na wo na na adoda nko akufu ado nyankopon kura ye de ni bu be se nyankopon fere nase eya santikasa wasi nimpo na ona bo maso akufi djuma ono so ye ne de ye de ne kwato oge hokono ukrom ni antoa hwe kwan ukrom ni antoa hwe kwan ya nipa nam so hwe asante region o hawa ye kom profro market ni ye nkwada na eko school market ya ye nyewie ye timi san ko tu nipa foforo se monsa anko ne ye san be ye hedwa mwakeka ne ma bo mu ana mu gu asante man wani mase Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe wone yewura o se chemen sabonsu ene mo na ma ya asante man kwa mpia mo yi yama emfaso bie nu sise nge to aba ma sa 47 MPC no edina ye ka kire mu pen ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ne mkuma se ka ye kwa ability kwan ye kwa ese ni de ye pressure group ya semu a ye ka ye nti na mu betu futu agu ye ni mu be ye o munye o mfe ho bio na kwan a mo de asante man ya fa so kwan a mo de kwa abere man ya fa so kwan a mo de mrante ye wa asante man mu nyina fa so no edamani mu twem e ka kire MPP ni o ma ban ni se sa MPP na ka
Jano what to me. Jano what to me. Jano what to me.
What more go ahead? What
Ya dumra esese mebuna ye
nanka debia ubehu a ye press conference eye ebia aban epese ni oman ni ekasa eye bia kwankura bi ena obi aka asemi na enye ena bia opposition ana samekuo bia wo Ghana etumu se freedom fighters aja press conference bi ekasa kire oman ba se ya yemfokura mu se dabi there was so many break no mu kasa ni form constituents ho ana baby o mu free send development ekoso oman mu enkoso ebi nso mo de ena otumu se na nkofo ni abrian kasa hey press conference ebi koso ahimfie dia ene mu odin papa enu kire se Ghana ayedin enu kire se oman mu ayebasa emu kire se oman atete apansan emu kire se oman ejina baby faako mu ka che mampanyin se hey mampanyin Accra anya Ghana ho Accra anya Ghana MP say Ghana MP parliament no enye mu kwa mudio u control wa minimum who might take parliament house eye ka kire sa parliamentary se kosi omutrim na mo adwea da se akola awada ya man koko amayi to ewo adwe no ada medical no mesie ada o ti koko adem it is not being activated ade ti se ko jaya koso e wa himfia enemi hia baby o so many bebre ama yemfu be sore atire se there be we need to help our people. We need to speak for our people. Yen pin for dream bebe feel. Now it is time to say Ghana for so be rise yen say yen to aba mani pass we minimum no. Ebe adwuma eno kura ne nye busuasem. Eba amanyosema it is somebody who is capable. Emo bi sika fan sika be there because almost 20 Ghana, 2 million, 100 million wo about 2 months said to aba sasika obenya the double times when it comes to power and now to me we are accountable because what all and mamu mo bi for about one tomo I hope say adie na waye no mo be gina so pi mo mo bi fa na no be dedem because oni pass be wajimi wo kusu wajimi woni pa wo ye wudifo okusu ye wudifo onipa oye kwonfo obisu ye gwadafo eye kwonfo because empenifo say de wo bodam kura ne yasa ne yale na enye di odi be nwura den enkola iti ye penifo no ba ye nim a so ma wo brase no enka hwio omukasa ne entopon konye hwimaye inti moma ye nim da ho na na nim bre ni ye hu say let them be accountable to us. We are not serving them, they are supposed to serve us. We are not serving any politician. It is only respect. We have put them into a position that they will regard the people of Ghana. It's the normal way. What change to what change to I finish call almost discanning yet. Sikani then chop finish. Ameyaw shiketa. What you got for all? Ame so chekuri yakari. Anybody? Iti nyamuya no eye. Me say ebeko other places. And ebe poor mine be koso. Because it put them on their toes. The media is doing their part. Mo kwankwa na mo no na mo sole to campaign ye ma mo 20 Ghana 7 ni akofa junkie boys o mo shed tokuro bi baby boys a mo complain say o man ma ye no ye ma mo 1 million ni 20 Ghana bi show mo kotokoma no ma safa brass band na gbe na ayense wote na do da kwa ni e pe na do da kwa ni e pe na do comedies. It is not time for that. Muma onipa ne ba, munhwe na adwemu po, ni tirimu po, ni neye, se ni wotimpo woni fie, se ni wotimpo wo community. Ensu Ghana ha na wo be hu MP a wote Accra, o people parliamentary dia, no asole, no akoni kurom, no acheska, no winning seat. We odwem. But also to the moment mo be hu nipa ne se onipa yekura otisen how is his life ejuma wo film anu juma oye yenko bisan how his background is sanyo mo yenda mo cheke na ye de onipa bia beto eso oye man MP na afi de o kire mo nyoma na afi de ye mo ya David onipa bia why longest parliamentarian ewo MP bunu ana mashe bedwemu no. Let me tell you something. Their attitude shows the character of the position they are. So baby and counsel no mutia no mu portray. Iti wo confirm nipa wo ye chisel. Onipa ni trimu den so metena so a. Oba be dead no wi nipa wa na oba che otumudini in much better ways. I won him. I infancy na yesa to aso ko yansem so. Me pese ye ko hwe video. Na me kan wasem kakra. Celebrities na womu tumi kasaye no endorse the MPP government during 2016 election. Where are they? Where are you people? Ejako A+. Any the kika then I go Ebo nyuma twaso Ebo much endorsement because they promise you that they will do the creative art better. Who share video anymore? Oh, Ghana for crying Nigeria kasi oh. Adia ye media foi. Nkofo be kasi ye mentors yi, ye celebrities ye there. And your mom will be bopper. E dey fa ban we atisu yi. Inti nyame be yama. So mo depart nkofo yi ba power because you are major factor. A man aban we ba power. Enye nsema wo kan yen kwa. But onya that major support any free mu camp no. And man who say yes, he can win the heart of Ghanaians. Ene mwankasa mo wan. Ene mwankasa mo wan. Matiada. Ana Ghana for kwasa seman so. Say anytime bia wa we celebrity. Ajafo o man ko hwe video ni mbra. Ne ba. Me won sem bia e commerce celebrity se no gina ho. E toto nyom, e kasa ye hia change no. We are in the change. We are in the change. See na it mu bi. Wa sole akotena tena mu fie ne mu dan ano. E na fe na bi mu person mo be arrive ade na egu. See entuma anya ama mo. From mo say you fight for your own. It's your money etim no ma kire ya kire mo say each one for himself ampa. Enti mo man ko hwe video ni ye den embra.
man, he's a brother when you know. I say, you're born in the answer, I know where we
So what you concern and portfolio and to me dear see, look at the crowd, look at the people, look at the millions of people who organize in the name of these celebrities, not the personality, not the personality or the candidate who was coming into power. He was endorsed by his people. But still, Ghanaians, not all Ghanaians believed in him. But some people changed their clothes and wear the MPP clothes. And people share MPP attire. And be Gina Oka say, senior celebrities and dosi, and you pay wobe boy. Because Sebian yes can crown on Mukoji. Because some pesika, they will endorse the government in power. Because some will not John Draman in the Wasso. Till you open in a comben now. Because or not to us Ghana folk they can convince. But then they wanted the better for Ghanaians. Even though Kakra come go to come, but that they feel say the way I come forward to the piano me say papa any or thing ne na no kasa said ya what here ya see what chilling kwasi asem and nyoma thing. Now these people feel like it is time for this man. It is time for him to come. It is time for him to do the things for Ghanaians. Now he nimusa or the family and friends. It may be so. As this government came into power, look at this number of people who were campaigning, who were making noise, who left their homes, who left their house, who left their wives, their children in schools, at home, just to campaign for somebody to come in power and come and take care of the well-being of the people. These people, are they enjoying the national cake? The national cake, are these people getting even a bit of it? Or it is now has become a family and friends affair? Mr. President. Now when so and come celebrities now. She Ghana for mama adwinda o. E ya celebrities now with you mechino. E do baby a musumu ka o madwinchino mo say. Don't be endorsing any person when you think the person is talking by mouth. Because endorsement somebody ba akufo way enu na dia be su baby aye way. Hwejako afen ende di wo nyansa eso be revive Kumawood. Damn na oye ni selfish interest. Na party ni ba power ni hype ejako TV man ho na o kasa. Was he talking? Now kofo hype no munya di omu be die no mu kasa say it to me and revive your movie industry na mo no omu se kofo omu di ensesi fom enti afa san kofo di yenchi eja kwa asako back also be revive movie otumi nka politics yet in be cities say media me kasa e wo say ye kasa e wo say ye say mo kasa na mo ni na ewuo mo ni e na ewuo. You people are not just common people. Even though you are common people by nature, say ye na nipa, but the people are more jina, people na mo jina so no, e people e nipa e pejo muti ehwe. It is a mo kasa e nipa etie if you don't know. It come with egunu, akufo ejakwe. Now Kofo say you should come back to help and revive it. It should tell you say senior wano wo di etire and do say senior sika na ope na Ghana for na odwia. O be bi abedu. How are you not talking now? It is Kofo way. It should be a lesson to them that they should think twice. And Bambedu Botomo politics now, but you have a job to do. It will dream. What do you go to come now? What dream say nipa can at the end of the day no? Can I have something to say about the government? And can I have something to defend myself? Say or buy a crack adele to me any. Yenya a plus. And let me chill. Maybe I will be a chairman. O kasa. When I'm social media now, o kasa. To me say 2016. O jere o to me bon modern. Then I went to my hair. O jama Ghana phone say eye nyom eye brass band. Et to me say ya they confirm o fly. Yeah, the bus branding near same millions of money. So what I say now, and no be brea I buy way yeah. Now we share omo MP Sambre no Mahama MP so my dwe omo dwini na jimi omo because na Mahama ye den your friend say why circle Dubai to omo dwi se circle Dubai no ene de ye nipa sika bottom a ade e be kom bottom e no no so sebe ni timo ye ne de ene na adwumo ye ne de ene ye kika nsem kire no oh you win you know you have got one time you win again e wo Ghana ha na Ghana for se twen ye be hwe Ghana for se twen ye be hwe eti ye nua be mai e plus amamo ne te sen e wo se me ka kire o se me be bo waso baso asabo wechi aka ho South strength na we use 2016 no won say ne tie I know you people and I know you to be a smart man, a very intelligent too. But you see, this man, old man has beat you. Akoklewe, what try out now what brand what to say? I'm a calculator dinano, I your bill, or your bank a 7 or the iPhone they do free. We your bar and call the 20 Ghana a deal free. Most celebrities know because one when you pay me, who that have go. Afena obetu tomorrow by this time ma be ye akofo do mre na mu kase Ghana be ye afena be tomorrow by this time Ghana be ye enya ye why enya ye now back to it Mr. Man A plus afena wo se wo se papa yi waswedum na Ghana for waye mu se nkola toto fefe wa toto fede e di amamu e na sebe wo ya kola o repi ke yesi akufo do repi Ghana e na wo se penyi o ya renga o chi nkola no wa toto fe amamu lo de wa hwedim no de nsa e sebio e di no ase sa na o de yemu na mu mbe ma no so de wa dada maka chem se muni ma de mon ko hwe abonte se obi ba sa na A+ o de ayemu sa e na akufo do de ayo as smart as you people are what in no and akasa oni ni aba omia da omia so di school sebe akwa oh mami ke bicho ba omia de nya intellectual so eye brofo iti Ghana fo jimie ni yenim sa kolebiti brofo a na adwumu don sa jimie no ehun sa twase jimie no ehun na ba omia fa ho ene odi dada Ghana fo enye economic status so wakọ organize brofo akese ene wa hwehwe videos osin kofo emi sasa semwe na me katroma Ghana for ben any economic because from JW so why na be ka economic wansem it will your campaign what dare them na musu say oh wow it's good because aha nya acting aha enya acting muni na mu go na mu ye acting it ya act atere mu e na afa pepepe papa A+ esro ya de ba ko pe mame bonyu ba ko fama ko fuado se na obo onyu te ma mahama ba gun ba ko so ma ko fuado no won say weni abre wa say o man no anka be bo apa nkofo so betie they say ten nkofo adwade nkofo so betie but coming to it aha ne dia me pese me say I am appreciating you say upon say yedimu yamunina you have been one major person na one bow platform actually say nkofo sebi omo ya akronfo omo bewie Ghana fo na wo kase yento abama omo ba Ghana fo fa obone ye den enchew na wonim say e no be na wonim so the 20 Ghana ebe di woto na wonim so the 20 Ghana ebe dedel na wonim so the iPhone e be fra mani wadada mo ye nkola na omo na maba na omo di 20 Ghana ene indomie edi omo no sa time no catch Ghana for say wo be catch the Ghana for say sana na wotie sa time na say wa dwin in bie Satan de na why say abofra. Satan de na ye di indomie. Akufo do di indomie de beto. Or the 20 Ghana de beto. Or the iPhone de beto. It is somewhere this can to unity. Now I do now be eye. Utumi ba monte be ka the Ghana for say. Oh Ghana for mesremo. Manye ni ye. Na me say ye peni ye. I like the way I go social media page. One I go for video e di bebo e. E one I go for video e ba e. Say Ghana for e sa ko pe video na ba. It was cool. I like the way I say why I embarrassed. I will accept to say I am embarrassed. I am ashamed of myself for endorsing this corrupt government into power. I like the way you did it. Yeah, fair. why are there and who to meet tina baby o kasa mo say you don't fear anybody and as the youth me say yes police and nobody be intimidate you say na o kan na there's nothing they can do because hey send your map people mo no mo be friend of phone we have also prepared ourselves ti sa na o kasa mo kire and Ghana for so fine emo enye sa we ase akola de ye dada akola na ye 20 Ghana anyem no na onyema de e kan se o na adwin so enti ye fa no se sebe na wa adwin na so na akufo do afon wa dede ti endorsement a we na tum so se de ma wo sabi ayesa abofra wa wo bastard no wa wo ewie de o be fa no sa ehunya se wo be hwa wo be bo akola no ho ban no ama akola na ba ya akola pa enti enu ne kasa na wa advocate se party we odi Ghana bo party wa ha Ghanaians I applaud you for that. But some other celebrities don't want your manu dino. I am giving this warning. I make come on say from today onwards. Say who you celebrity. Hey, who you celebrity. Now we endorse the government. Now we to make Kasanta become a platform no and ya grow you. With social media no money dey tell more 20k followers. With social media money dey tell more 30 million followers. More dey tell more followers and confodi mochi is because you are having a status in the society. People regard you. It is answer na open endorse political party, you know. And what say we show who see because the same political party need power. Now we failure. Fansa wonam ni a chotai. Wonam ni a pile glass. Now I got this car was hard by no. Now the CC car. You found some count because any na bravo. But what you fear ni a best shenum. Ni wo say kwa buy no ko this car because Ghana for bre. So what I say? I because more endorsement mo ba dwe mo ndwem kotoko mo biom. I'm telling you because Ghana for bre. Because the way I'm talking here, now I'm kasa here every about we back power no, and then you man kasa mo back kwa mamu. Enti wo kai say, keke di buy na all kasa che pola do much no, or kasa minya, or ka ebebo bi che ne say, or ka mo che journalist no wo, se nkofo we pie no mo si wo kwa. Asem ba wo be yi na si nchen, wan dwe ho, e no no so dinan station so, e na wo bo defense. Ongu so mo. You understand? Say about we mankofo bi mu to integrity sika betuma wo to integrity to won say nimonyama ejako wo no na nka ya je firi se bia ma agrobeto no na ya ha no e na wo say ebu agrobeto bu nti e na some maintain his status ne ma na wan ka say wo you sharp A+ na wo share one na wo back na to say no wo say me magana for wo say chale ade na baby and then if on else say catch say yes anko video mami ye chiri kwasi asem o ye nya nkola o Ghana for nya nkola ye ni die ene ye die ni ye so ya mo be kan kwasi asem a chire Ghana for one video onko be call video so light na fe si ofie na si Flagstaff Square na now obi andi machi again video na DK bi so di wachi you make these people came into power because you fighted the past government. And now we are in the result that we are seeing now. You think it is easy to conquer a nation. So you people thought that when somebody is saying by words, easy. Akufo or you be oba, kopeni mo nkofo 50. Na no kwan o dey do of 7. Ya sure be mu wie ya. Afa na oba video we dey obi akọ. Ya say Akufo so ye nkota. Sanjimisem na muni Ghana for mudi ya di agro no. When you people will do something, you will think about it twice. And cooperate you be. For video tina udem, never show obana wa wono. Ene huya. DKB, go and stand in National Theatre, me tiu jokes at here. What now? Na jokes, ema Ghana for. Ya bremu. Ya nyam kola. Na sebi, obi abedi mochi. Mun tuya obi amu mo pieska. Tumuye celebrities ama munye mo video. Na wo ye Ghana ni na wo so. Celebrities yi ya ye na odi etira. Mema wudie ya to bo na bo ni na pai na say NDC for your campaign obi a losing nani because of demonstration no we will use it they bia meka mun use mu kokromoti as your power mun use mu kokromoti as your power well na meka kire o say dwumaku aso ya say enye obia say ni trufin na asoma say na me de dwumadi ebrewo me gina kwa ada say ai wasoma say o hwe dwumaku ama wa bebo owufin ama wa from on ba bebo ama kama hwe yes ato aso hwe dan we are me pese ye hwe video bi a MPB akoni kurom so okosra ni bi fi se woje o mesi ho ayese opanyi a wawo ba na wo ba wan hwa oba ya ohun akola se me ba ohun tese akola nhwe ni di on se ya me maame wo firi na me maame wo firi debi MP akọ ni kurom eno so okosra modu bebi asi wu ofa ya brem. I like the way Ghanaians are becoming wise. I hope say it will be maintained like that. And my young master apply for Franco Beba Pon Felice. Yeah, bro, obi sani atu debi. They should feel themselves in a tight corner. Yeah, mom say no problem. Obepa, ye be sure only here 4 years. Me see, yanjiri ye won ni ntumi to aban at the next 4 years. Ombesu anyansa. Akufo de ya na ye mistake in the 2 8 years. To who say Ghana for the whole forget. The answer will be created a free via mom and one watch your money. Me say Ghana. Sebi na make catch up. Sebi ya do one ya bia esem kola atwi. Ti sa na beba no ti empanyifo no tena ho say no. These people we can deal with them in a very nice and tactical way. Me say ya empanyifo oma yese bonsam na bonsam yese oni tumi bia o. He is very deceitful. Na no eyede na no eyotro ti empanyifo ba omo dada yese wo bonsam omo dada yese mame bonsam omo dada yese papa bonsam the devil himself is our politician so the devil himself is our politician so they are deceitful, their words are sweet out of deceit. Ai na ye ti garden of Eden no ai no mo buy no maka che se wodi a weni bebie akufo do se motu abawa na Ghana for weni bebie aba se London aba se Europe mo ma de ko a mo titi ye ti gaso na ebre na so sika no so bete na ye nim se oya bonsam obebie ni e de o how abre ye o no e ne name no my coach video that yes no be MP no yeah be sababu you Amanchia any corporate communities no omo na omo ayo mo MP ni sa o omo si MPA MPA Papa Ghana for Jimmy na ade e di jam kurasefo no eya asefem se me say me ko tamale wo na me ka ni ko baby ka ni ko kuro bi kurabiase na kurabiase ko tani o inso MP opepa wanti wetumi di the soundboard akosi baby otumu se aha ugina ha anadwo ade sa ade a wo be hu ane wo papa saman wo maame bosom e na wo be hia wo sa kwan ne so nanso MP ni nya kwan etumi di the soundboard si wo so ko ta na mo ni na ye ntale ko ta na mo ni na ye ntale o ye ntale ko ta ne iti MPs no wo start developing cities na wo Ghana no kakra no e na ye omo yiri omo kakra o na de omo akodidi nkurase no abura wo didi nkofoi de omo ni manso ma pakis kego election medu a ne akoma musika ketekete se Ghana fo adwen bia because nkofoi hu se menye sika me kope me papa sase bi wo kurase a mesi da ho te sa nkofoi na akoko fie no e na ebi omo nuanu adwen mu se me nuanu mo ma ye ni da ho ye betuma ba ya boa ama ya man na koso ti ye tak MPs no omo ba ma mu so aso 20 Ghana ni 1 million no enye mo hwe mo jai political favoritism no na mo say they have a job to do. Into a coin say papa ewu o men dia glokra they say o share ye bi ko le no nya o ya ka so nya fe oni tu mo dugba o ba shebo on say ye pa ye pa da ko da dwe adwuma bia o emfa ye di agro emfa ya dream be di agro eni ye di agro. Don't play with us. We don't like that. Come on, say the Yempesa. What's your MP? You're two about 2020. You wound. I feel now about Yanya Odin. A quine a go on. To me, lobby and Kenya, quite my air backo. Oh, Banaka on them, Saquinaso. What to V8 into top portals one into one thing. Yena ye fat what one nama near tuni na ya form moto near mark ya wife ko wa na omu to me omu amawano omanya miscarriage by force sa chlorine na oba ne nyima or say portals e work kwan so ti onya miscarriage I want to say by force I won't cow class sa portals e that sa chlorine no I was say I walk out oba by force no I will premature birth also I go hospital there is no incubators I was say a transfer in the by Accra and I rage almost say yabre o ba na wo bi kwan ne ye kwan na ka wo kra o ba ne yo one man notification say wo ba na nkofo hia o kwan so ne ye bo aba so ne ye hye we monyam si o mampanyi ne ye sel so wa ya de kakra aka kakra na watumi unya bibia wo ba besra wana o be de wana abo kokko se bra na nkofo ne ni abre ye ni bre hwe ye mpesa wo de kofie election du a ye beto aso say wo so mfie edu so a ye beto aso ai o mo ka che o mo MP no say me nsuro ye ko bini amantwa mind ye e de bi enso emenu du a ye beto aba ne ye be hu de nipa obetuma ye djuma papa na mai ye be hu de obetuma ye djuma papa na mai ene ye sa to aso bio MPP ni pe bi akasa na me ka kire na mira me sha ase no e fe ni Justice Abeku Newton affair because I haven't to say Abeku nti na make an Abeku because yini ye mienu timi to make Abeku what I say I to make gan say Justice Newton affair wakasa o se se de o hwe se na nyoma akona as a media for no e pese 2024 election no akofo adoni na ban omuluzu na ka ofo e Ghana fo nye de na ka o chire de ka yen ye de na ka 2024 no ye ntum samba abamu wi a ye kasa no machi akoto police station mu ana ye kasa e wi anu machi se mo sisi mu aso na nkofo yin light no mo ni me kon a no mo sesa soldiers so akogu omo so na ya buru omo ana na ye nya energy minister ba be ka tire se club 4 isi akoso modam ni omo dia ni enya communication minister wa be ka tire se ya nya obetwe aso no kasa tire out of ego management ego speeches wo fe ipa wo kasa o na mi bisa o 2016 election wa me na bo am ba power se mu ni ma enkoma media form moso ye kan bi pa mo kan bi ni ye kan bi pa na ba we e kire Ghana for because anytime they be movie power a party be out of power na media no so di mu akotene pa they wrote this media play to yambo ni pedin but no mo beye how they will talk about the government ekwa to me ma who say government ni nye hwe eno na ekoso o man we mu the 2016 power na mo beye just to say so we fear media ne kan obi na mo so mo ba power ja sebi nsem hu na wo ka kire Ghana fo no de wo ka en me yewo me ka che se eyen nsem hu no e na wo ka kire yen Ghana fo en to asumu we are here they would have advocate for you it won't say edana ma penyi ko commission gawo timpa ne se den solar panel no won se media ne ka ho kakra bia no mu jae because enye no enu enye ye hwe sanko efie 105 na mo ko provide light amom no and solve Ghana's economic problem eni pobotomu ya gawo timpa ne solar panel no ebetuma ko ekire omo metuma to omo light kotokuo mu hia kotokuo no ehia wo se ni pasere etu ofe asem na wo kan sebe ma Ghana fo anu metraw mutina social media nso ne yede mi mic ni tuama no a eyem se mo asem asa na mo hu ni amonka media fo be na advocate se mo lusu mo ye mo nyoma peyi a anka man sa mo bua Ghana fo a anka man se o mister mo mama asem mo mama ni da ho mo mama adwenda ho asem a wo kan we enya asempa nti wo kan ye nya sympathy mama na mo kana masidi na ba dollar no rate na ba fo mana o kana cedi dollar rate na cedi na akosoro ana mi bisa o dia wo ken na ma ekwan na ye nya wo Ghana no ya na dia wo ken na ma ye mpanyi fom ne ye kasa basa no esu atwa na woni onko kasa fafo ne Franco Fado position ya ma no emu odepa Franco Fado ne ka chense wo fa ejuma ne wo se ye ni o se family and friends cry e wo se ye dwen Ghana fo ye di sika ni bi no ne ye dwe ye man fo no ko na ne omko kasa enye ye no ba be catch media fo se media fo fese ne nyoma akona ye twese ne nyoma akona o man wan kasa utimu no e po se wudi da no woni obusu afo di da no o sha wo next neighbor fo a dey okay o sole na o faka na o hwe go for strictly e work o Ghana e nyoma e koso no are you okay with that because who di Ghana sika o betuma 20 wa dwen o se refi e me nua be ma tade o kan you people are grown ups which me person ye be yusu abebu e be ka kire dem se be ye opanyi jimi fo se be wa kola nyansani there be en person ye be crack asem na kire dem ye pesa sa de ye mpe munja ye ni abrio ye ndi agro e o my way they say the youth you will not come by knife by gun or anything we will never come by that we have known that no matter what it is if it is the constitution that will change we will do it with our thumb. If it is a person that will change to come into power, we know that now our kokromoti is always a power. Na kani ya kache ni yenim. Ene yam pepe ni so kasa bebe. Once mo kasa asano, mo be we will not have give you any sympathy vote. Ye bi da. Offer go back and come and tell us something better. Hey, yan to asem so asem we. Ghana for kwebu metum say ebi mu bi abre. Yan to aso. Asem we nyas ma beto aso. Na video bi so koso. Ni enya obi o ka kire so ono de. Sanka Mahama na wa ban mu a anka dollar no by this time ko 20 cedis. Because oni akufo do aban de o ma ya de pa. Ehwe eyo ni abom so excuse na de bi o mu use no. Russia ni Ukraine tokwa COVID ebe bomb ni na asoti abob Ghana phone ni na they have been able to manage the economy. NDC aban na wo mu a akoma ma dollar na ko 20 cedis. Etuni o ma yon ko hwe video ni ye de embra ni ye ba e be sa to aso.
Enema said the name Econo. The good thing is say Eco. Yeah. Me did say Semitrana Cassia Ghana milk ne and inflow ma me honest to the good people of this country. But in as much as Enema said the name Econo. The good thing is say a bino editum sympathize with the good people of Ghana. Ne did say Enema Ecoso Cecilia Enesene or mine it's here no. Senka honorable acquaintance Monsemo, Yanria and Cadola to city no baby 20 cities this year. I mean, no, you see, I'm telling you, you see, as empire not Ghana for a fee and Nema said the Mampanida Bahama can say, you refia the anthem.
Mamma can't say the money BBL.
One who said no. No, me didn't say yeah, but no, you can say Yankopon. You can say Yankopon a video man, Yankopon in Bibia. But that's
a more portrait. The battle is the loss.
And indeed, the battle is still the loss. So what I said,
and I'm not sure, but you know, the man IGP, but still,
But you see, Ubisa who said in 2016 and 2015 na ye that doom somu dollar no air skyrocket no sa time no. Na petrol port crude you talk crude say. Me know can say last year by now crude was around $72-77 and then me know can say crude is almost $120 per barrel. Okay, and so you will understand they say and man na a horse time no it's totally different what we are experiencing now. Aside Obibeka Ukraine, Obibeka COVID, say COVID aba afe say be aban dwuma fobi tifie na ban tiomka. COVID aba na aban ma electricity free, COVID aba na aban ma nsuo free. We nyina ye niema na esan say omampani adwen oman no ho. Look, omampani can say be and I still believe say it's still profound and the idea is relevant. Say yen to me onipa wa would yen to me nyane no. Name of economy no to bring back the economy. We are capable and that is what we are doing.
Because politics won e be man wa kasa te se sebe akola ye ma me mo nsem bi o mo ka kire se won say ye wanyu bia da ba wo de o abi ma o la toji e mo em se o mo mere so na la toji mbae hwe mo ka hu tiri se ye pay for mu di anim ni na o mo betu su no o mo ya wo mo na la toji mbae o na la toji e bi ni ho enti won fe politics mo kan. Utu say they talk like sabi eyesika ena mo ni ebie na nye sa apade e sabi bibi asem wo ye ka me si de bia man ka kire Ghana for say MPP communicators amomo ye be mo betena simple so mo nkasa no they don't know what to say. They can't defend their party and they don't even if they are defending they end up talking sabi gibberish and garbage to Ghanaians. The old Ghana ni utu na obe consider o ma to abamo no de be hye obufuo e na omo be it is a mama be o e na dollar be ko 20 cedis eno no de na be ba who is in power. Did we vote for you to incorporate and say to duplicate Mahama's affairs only ho it would na wo ye the wo ye ni say dollar ni be ko 10 cedis won. Oh okay, no problem. Jawu mutume ye no se dollar no ebe ko 20 ebe tuma ba 10 cedis no won mani jun mu ye okay ti mani found say mwa ya de pa you yate mu bon se ma mo wonna se bia tuma nka o sa station no so na de me ya say this bigger platform and they themselves talk to disgrace to tarnish their own party image no mo re fi say Ghana for so na social media no enye Jimmy fo inkola ya ye ko school no inkola na ya ko school no inkola na ye pe djuma ye no ye na ne ye ti omo di se enye radio station bre so ni o na ya tina radio so ni enim ni pakro no okasa no ye ni tua ye ni nkurase eni padodo ne guakra ne ye post asese obi use smartphone enya ye make sure say ye be hwe 7 onkwasi asemo ye mpanyifo betena simpie so akeka kire maama o na dollar be ko 20 Ghana den na be yama Ghana iti o sisi ana ko 10 cedi no den na wa yama Ghana iti dollar no akosoro no den na wetuma ye about we na about power economic crisis because no say they want to look up to God. Oh Jesus. Now many say, hey, now they have turned to God. And they winning. Mon kofra so foni na. Na mon organize Ghana bishops, prophets, near mon pa ye insecure. Say anamu to me ya, yen you oforitan fio, oforiatan frio, near nkofa asofo megina finance no, na mon bon pa ye famboa economic ne nkoso. Where work statement. Semu ni ma de bia ye ka kire nkofo ye kan semu kire ya nkofo wa solid demo onyankopon onipa wonye na adwuma ye one ne nanti o obonsam kro be yusu na usu ni faso ni yusu o yusu iti nyankopon sebe oni kwasiafo nanti o oni jimifo nanti o bible na kasa de kan o se minshira kwasiafo hwe onyankopon na mu ni sa no jansa ni utiri wa jawo obe jawa sasram na bonsam nkasa yusu wankasa wona mo no obe ye worthless obe ye useless hwe What did our buckler no say Yankopo no benante? Yankopo otisa. Hey, are you people using God's name in vain? Share. Say God should come into the economy. What are you talking about? He does not work with these people. Yankopo nipa ni so one fast one. And on ni nanti o. Odi mu say ni so be one fast one. And on ni nanti. Semu ni ma. Oni bibi wo mu a onkofo nipa won so daye embeye odifo wo so daye anu afa so yo odifo because e wa chede Oforiata ti asole Mr. Oforiata ti asole to the Economic Gospel Church of God, the Economic Gospel Church International Ghana for beba ni a study about economy, about the Christian life mun kon sa na de mun ko foye omu kumeni mo ase. You can turn to God, but you first turn from your ways. If you can't handle the job, give it to the person God has blessed and is ready to work with the nation. Hey, edu baby, na Nyankopon wo nya so no, oyimanto no, e no de share David Brew. Edu baby na Elijah ye de o say Elisha to aso no, o de ma Elisha. Oforiata utumi to aso a mesrew Jamanto no, ni ehwehwe Ghana mu, ni emfama nipa oye kepapu no nye, family and friends no dosu. Family and friends na no aye tin. Afefo Ebia meka kasa totuo entopon de metuma ka no maka aha aye Ghana nsem na meka kire o se mi a medi dwumedie ebre o medi de limo elikem kwame amega me pese ye play last video a akulei utumu se oyakufo do wofase oyakufo do nua no ni ne ko school ititie ne kasa tumu se o mitete akufo do no mu ko school e na wo kire fake promises a won senior oyema Ghana fo ye hwe sa video ni na ye fa ye de ye fa ya asem ye de NC
who likes me as a winner. Na mudi to me frankani shen me nana atutankwa akufa to memeza. Babe established the one district and the factory. Jobs will be created in the 10 regions of the Republic of Ghana. After my henceforth, and I say, I introduce a big landlord, overlord, upon Benjamin Combo, one that established the Lekman Municipal Assembly and the hospitalization. And I say, who likes me as a winner? Na mudi to me frankani shen me nana atutankwa akufa to memeza. Babe established the one district and the factory. Jobs will be created in the 10 regions of the Republic of Ghana. After my henceforth, and I say, I introduce a big landlord, overlord, upon Benjamin Combo, one that established the Lekman Municipal Assembly and the hospitalization. And I say, who likes me as a winner?
Mame catch us up.
Would it to me frankani shen me nana atutankwa
na down for ni ko school. Ono akufo do osu ya ni papa di ni ko school. No bocha skele wo chire o. What you say? Ai, iti video no de bre o imitate ni nyonko tun so mu na bibie ni mu na akufo do ni papa ni nska. Etumi de ni to aso. What you say? Ono de do bibie odi ko yede. Udi ko dru ye no. Na me catch us dwumaku aso ya se omo number na nam ase on. From no ni mu di kaso bo what you say? Aha I Xposed GH. You say no Ghana and beyond. And knowing Ghana and beyond, boy, any answer you go beyond. Share video, no, share page, no, for notification button, let us let's subscribe. Subscribe, what? Subscribe now, you may shout. I am a new Muslim, the Awuja. It may catch on all subscribing. No, may God open ways for you. I am a catch out say, Minya, de pia, and maybe bar, a kaka cra, for China ko frame, maybe call. Unim, ye be ma as a force. Afre akole omwabi enti bra fre wonue bi no bra asem opeso kan me the phone line betu no so tuma yede akan abi menua ba menua bema me ma me papa makasa na mafum obi a me fanche omani yie ne yede ye pe o se ni pe bi ye puto mu na in place e de bi ma asem betuma ba ye beka sa na wi asete wasem ma ne aka na wotuma ye onyoma ye atu ye mfa second to obi anim ye ye mfa agyan to obi anim ye asem akola ye kan yenim da ti mpanyifo omote e wo se ye tia mo a wo se ye tia mo no mu nya de wo som ye de omo ye ayina me ka cho se da sende ye be de ye be se hia me am de djumodi ebre on me ka kire obi o me din di limo elikem kwa me mega o social media platform ni na me din di African hwehwɛ me but I say open the short video so obenye bi obibia e wo Xposed GH ye de nsem aye koi entertainment nsem akoso organ ye de bebro nhwe bibia hwehwɛ Xposed GH cameraman ejina echire didn't the Yamsen the Jamaica Jamaica ni bi obibia aye fake ono aye Yamsen the Jamaica ono original one so for pema ihu bi da na eja me director ojina editing position echi what I say osise say the uniska into achoke nso pema pa boa asante latenia me so won telate watina nkan so won tinkan I really so mean tia igbe me no me na me ya pache ba ko pe hu mi ame nante de emu odin my stone boy ame na ya chia no me no ba nso me dem femin di agro subscribe it that send ye be say share ayo sre ayo arewo aha pepe baby what I say that send ye be say share bye bye.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wopen chensin papa ede apostle anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo aje womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda